As we continue on with our religion today, boys and girls, you're going to pull out first this booklet. We just read the story about Adam and Eve leaving Eden. The other day we did, yesterday we did this one about making good choices and getting closer to God. And then today we're just going to look at, this is page 21. It's called Lesson 7 at the top, and it says, circle the loving actions. And sin is the opposite of love. So sin is when you don't follow God. When you follow God, you are doing acts of love. Okay, so if you look right here, the first little girl here is pulling a dog's tail. Now, does the dog look happy? Does the girl look happy? That is not a loving action. So what I actually want you to do is X that out, okay? And then this one right here, the little boy is taking away the baby's toy. So do either one of them look happy? They're not, those are not loving actions. So we're going to cross that out. Now let's look at the bottom here. This is two people, two children. One of them is giving the other one a hug, and you can see they're both happy. That is a loving action. And on this one, you see that there's a little girl sharing her candy with another little girl, and that is sharing is a loving action. Okay, there you go. So two of them X'd out because they're not loving, and two of them circled because those are the loving actions. Go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket at the top. And we're going to put this one away and pull out our reason for handwriting booklet. And so my booklet today, we did 13 where we did the zigzag lines. My booklet, it got stapled a little bit wonky. So I hope yours didn't, but if you could find it, you're looking for page 14, and it has 3 colorful fish on it. And this is a page where you get to trace each bubble. So bubbles look like the letter O or a 0. And remember, when you do this, you start at the green dot, follow the arrow, try to touch each of those dots, and then close the bubble. Start at the green dot, go around, try to touch each of those black dots, and then stop when you hit the green dot again. Okay, so I'm going to do the 3 big ones first. You can start either on the big ones or the small ones. Okay, and you have to write a little bit slow when you do this. I'm going to go over here. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so there's 10 bubbles there all together that you drew for the fish. And then you can go ahead and make one more circle. That is your exit ticket. Okay, great job with your religion today, boys and girls.